Hi, welcome to Harisystems. In this session today we will learn HTML introduction, the basic and the beginners. This is the programmers of the software engineers, those who want to learn to develop web applications and websites. They need to know about HTML. In this session we will introducing about HTML. What is in a few words only. These are the logos we are used for illustration purpose, the respective rights and properties of their registration trademarks only. Let's start the session. See, what is the HTML is the basic concept I want to be explained in this session today now. HTML standard markup language for creating web related pages. The HTML means hypertext markup language is the standard markup language for creating web page and web application pages with cascading style sheet and JavaScript. It forms a web form for the World Wide Web. The HTML, what is the form we are seeing by opening the browser? We have seen that pages it containing with the HTML, this hypertext markup language, standard markup language to build and create the pages. Whereas to see that page very cleanness and using a clean font and color of the font and page style designs in all will nowadays it's an upcoming trending by using the CSS style sheets, that is the cascading style sheets we call it as. We'll let you know all the details about in further sessions for more information. And now HTML creates the structure of web pages using markup. The basic points: HTML tags are the building blocks of HTML pages. HTML tags label pieces of content such as heading, paragraphs, table and title and the body. These are the tags. Majorly we need to use the HTML tags. And script, there is a reference purpose we will use the script tag, that is also. And browsers do not display the HTML tags itself. Browsers will only display the content and information what we need to see. In a program manner, the programmer he knows the what is the tag and what is the link we need to provide and all the things. Whereas the end user, he needs to write only the content of the page, and he needs to see the images and GIF images and sliding images and the content what he needs to write. Whereas he doesn't know what is the tags and all the things. While displaying the web page, we need to write by using such a clean and good, by practicing of the HTML language, we need to implement the web page and websites, but use them to render the content to the page. Thank you for watching this video session. I hope you better understand about what is HTML only. Please subscribe, like, share, comment and avail to know our updates and all from Harisystems. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.